A few years ago, my AC quit working, and I paid a guy $75 to come out and fix it. When he got here, he hooked the shop vac to the drain line next to the AC unit, and in less than 10 minutes, he was driving off. This year, when my AC quit working again, I decided to save the $75 and just do it myself. And don't worry, if you don't have a shop vac, I have another trick that'll work for you as well.
Look for your air handler. It's usually in a closet, your attic, or the garage. Coming out of it, you'll see a white PVC pipe, usually 3/4 inch. It'll have a T-shaped fitting with a removable cap somewhere along the line. That cap is your access port. My air handler is in the attic, and here we can see my drain line coming out the front of it. Your air handler may or may not be in the attic as well. If you've got a shop vac in the garage, this is the fastest way to clear it. It's what I did. I came home from a trip, and when I got home, my AC wasn't working. I went and checked the drain line, and the red light was on, indicating that the water had backed up to the sensor. So I went out and grabbed the shop vac from the garage, and in about 10 minutes, I was good to go. Go to the exterior end of the drain line, the PVC pipe coming out of the wall near your condenser. Seal your shop vac hose over it. If the sizes don't match, just use your hand to seal around the hose. You need as close to an airtight seal as you can get so that the suction pulls through the whole line. Run the shop vac for 30 to 60 seconds. You'll hear the blockage clear, a change in the suction sound, and then water rushing into the vac. Once it's clear, pour hot water down the access port inside and let it flush any remaining buildup that the vacuum didn't grab.
If you're finding this useful, consider hitting the like button down below. And if you'd like to see more videos like this, subscribe. It'll really help this small channel out.
If you don't have a shop vac, vinegar can work, especially on soft algae buildup. In my case, I chose to use cleaning vinegar over just normal household vinegar. Remove the cap from the T-fitting access port and pour about a cup of distilled white vinegar into the port. The acidity breaks down the algae and mold without eating the pipe. After 30 minutes, go outside and check the drain line. If you see water dripping out, the clog cleared. If not, you've got a harder blockage and you'll need the shop vac.
Your air conditioner has to pull moisture out of the air as it cools, and that moisture has to go somewhere, and that somewhere is a condensate drain. It's usually a 3/4 inch PVC pipe, and it runs from your air handler to a drain outside. Inside that pipe, water is moving slowly in a dark, warm environment, and that is perfect for algae and mold to grow. Over time, the algae and mold clumps up and eventually blocks your drain pipe completely. When it backs up, most AC units have a float switch that sits on the drain pan. Once that water backs up, the float switch shuts the AC unit off to prevent damage to the unit. That's actually great news for your AC unit, but if you're having this issue, it's easy to fix.
A clogged condensate drain doesn't happen overnight. It builds up slowly over months, and the worst time to find out about it is on a 95-degree day in July. Once a quarter, or at minimum once a year before summer, pour a cup of distilled white vinegar down the access port and let it sit. That's it. So that's a $75 service call you just saved yourself, and now you know how to keep it from happening again. If you'd like to see more stuff like this, subscribe. And tell me in the comments, what's one thing you do around the house every year that saved you from making a phone call? Now you know. Go do more yourself.